Welcome to today's video. In this guide, we're diving into the simple and updated steps to pin a post on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're showcasing an important announcement, highlighting your best content, or simply keeping something memorable at the top of your profile, pinning a post is a great way to ensure it stands out. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once it's loaded, tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu. Select Profile from the options to access your profile page. Now, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to pin. It could be anything, an important update, a funny tweet, or a piece of content you're proud of. Once you've located the post, look for 3 dots in the top right corner of that post. Tap on those dots to open a drop-down menu. From the menu options, select Pin to Profile. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about pinning this post to your profile. Tap Pin to confirm your choice. And that's it. Your selected post is now pinned and will appear at the very top of your profile whenever someone visits it. Keep in mind that X allows only one pinned post at a time. If you decide to pin another post later, it will replace the current pinned one. Pinning posts is an excellent way to make sure your most important or engaging content gets noticed first. If you ever want to unpin a post, simply repeat these steps and select Unpin from Profile instead. Thanks for tuning in. Now go ahead and pin that standout post on X and make it shine at the top of your profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.